Hello students, how are you all? It's time for the next session of chapter 6, that is session 3. Do you remember what we have learned in the last 2 videos? Good, let's revise it once. People who break the laws made by the government are punished by the court. There are courts in every Indian state and union territory. Courts of India. The Supreme Court is the highest court in our country. Every state has a high court, which is the highest court at the state level. The district courts are present in towns and cities. The Nyaya Panchayats are special courts that function at the village level. So students, have you understood what are the Indian courts? It makes laws and makes sure that these laws are followed. It punishes those who break the laws. It protects our country from foreign attacks. It looks after the basic needs of citizens, such as food, water, and safety. It builds and looks after public places, such as parks, hospitals, and libraries. It builds and maintains friendly relations with other countries. It looks after our national wealth, such as monuments, forests, and wildlife. It provides medical treatment, food, clothes, and temporary shelter to people who have been affected by natural or man-made disasters. Since India is a huge country, it becomes difficult for a single agency to govern the entire nation. Hence, the government is divided into central, state, and local government for proper functioning. Now, let's practice. State whether true or false. We should obey rules and laws made by the government. Next one. Our country should not maintain friendly relations with other countries. The local self-governing bodies take care of things that concern the whole country. The government punishes people who break laws. So students, do you know the answers? Very good. Come on, pause the video and fill them up. So, are you done with the answers? Now it's time for me to tell you the answers. We should obey rules and laws made by the government. True. Our country should not maintain friendly relations with other countries. False. The local self-governing bodies take care of things that concern the whole country. False. The government punishes people who break laws. True. Now it's time for the short answer type questions. What are the 3 levels of the government? So do you know students what are the 3 levels of the government? Yes, we have learned about it. So the answer is state, central, and local government are the 3 levels of the government. Now the next one. Who is the present Prime Minister and President of India? So do you know the answer? Yes, all of you know about it. I know. So the answer is Shri Narendra Modi is the present Prime Minister and Shri Ram Nath Kovind is the present President of India. Now it's time for the long answer type questions. Explain the various functions of the government. The answer is the functions of the government are following. It makes laws and makes sure that these laws are followed. It looks after the basic needs of the citizens such as food, water, and safety. It builds and looks after public places such as parks, hospitals, and libraries. It looks after our national wealth such as monuments, forests, and wildlife. It provides medical treatment and temporary shelter to people who have been affected by man-made or natural disasters. It protects our country from foreign attacks. Now the next question. How is the role of the government different at each level? So do you know the answer? How is the role of the government different? Good. Let me tell you the answer. Each level of government has a different role according to the functions it possesses. So first, we will talk about central government. So, central government. The central government takes care of things that are important for the whole country. The central government is headed by the Prime Minister. Now, state government. Each state has its own government which looks after the various needs of that state. The Chief Minister and Governor are the important people who look after the functioning of the state. Then, local self-government. The local self-governing bodies look after the basic needs of the people living in towns, cities, and villages. So students, that's it for today's lesson. Hope you all have understood it well, right? The answer is yes. Good. Stay safe. Thank you.